Beginning with the 2019 season, the USGA is withdrawing the GIN TPP registration and payment system, which SMGA has successfully used for the last couple of years, and replacing it with the Tournament Management Program developed for it by Golf Genius. While the two programs are substantially similar, there are differences, and the purpose of this tutorial is to teach you how to register with the Tournament Management System. You will shortly receive from SMGA a letter such as the one shown, containing your email address and a temporary password for you to use in registering with Tournament Management. Simply click the Confirm Registration button and the process will begin. Doing so will take you to a page where your email address and your temporary password are entered, and that in turn will take you to a page where you can change your password to one with which you are more familiar. Following that, you will be taken to 2 pages of policies required under the USGA Tournament Management Program. The first will be the Terms of Service Agreement, which you will be asked to review and approve. The second will be the privacy policy of the USGA and the Tournament Management System, which you will also be asked to review and approve. Once you have done so and completed any further requirements, you should exit the Tournament Management System and wait for SMGA events to become available for sign-up and payment. This concludes tutorial number 2. Tutorials number 3 and 4 demonstrate how to register for an individual or team event and how to register for a partner event.